This dusty barren land had given all it could yield. I've been kicked off my land at the age of 16, and I have no idea what else my heart could have been. I placed all my heart will never be still, so collect your the same kind of remorse. Steal my heart and break my pride. Know where to stand, but now know where to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind, to face what I've done and do my time. Well, you are my accuser now, look in my face. Your oppression reeks of your greed and disgrace. So one man has and another has not. How can you love what it is you have got when you strip it all from the weak hands of the poor? Liars and thieves, you don't know what is in store. There will come a time I will look in your eye. You'll pray to the God that you've always denied. But now for our function I'll get my gun. I'll see what I am the only son. Steal my heart and break my pride. I know where to stand and I know where to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind, to face what I've done and do my time. Break my heart, know where to stand, know where to hide. Align my heart, my body, my mind, to face what I've done and do my time. I know what I've done, 'cause I know what I've seen. I ran out back and I got my gun. You said you haven't met me. I am the only son. to London with lonely hearts. Oh, the warmth in your eyes swam me into your arms. Was it love or fear of the cold? Darling, let us through the night. For every kiss, your beauty trumps right down. And my head so my heart let love go. But my heart told my head this time, no, this time, no. Well, we washed and buried one day, my girl. And the time we were given will be left for the world. The flesh that lived in love will be eaten by flame. So let the memories be good for those who stay. I let go my head this time, no, this time, no. Oh, the stream that sent me off from the God that I once loved was the same that sent me into your arms. Oh, and pestilence is one when you are lost and I am gone, and no hope will overcome.